Steps 3 and 4. Are current controls sufficient or are additional controls needed? This is when the analysis begins. The previous steps were about accumulating the information you would need to perform this step. Generally, the analysis will involve assessing two things about the risk: likelihood and impact. Sometimes you may assess additional things like detectability or exposure, for example, depending on other types of risk we are dealing with. The reason we do this assessment is so that we can rank the risks and determine the appropriate actions to take. There should be a set procedure that sets the acceptable and non-acceptable levels of risk. Often, a non-acceptable level of risk is said to be a significant risk. If a risk is significant, additional controls will be needed until it is no longer a significant risk. Here is an example of a risk assessment table. In this example, a number is assigned between 1 and 5 to both the likelihood and the impact of the harm. The product of these is the risk level, or risk ranking. So if a risk has a likelihood of 1 and an impact of 2, then it falls in this green area and is considered insignificant, and no additional controls are necessary. The good news is that you get to determine the assessment and ranking schemes and criteria, within reason, that is. There are many different ways to go about this, and we will discuss this more in another video.